maybe it's just me, but it sounds like a, I don't know, sounds like a transgender name, you know, Fern. That's the animal control building. They just went by with the plow once. Roads aren't too bad. Visibility, well, as you can see, that's your visibility. If the owner of this house would sell it really cheap, I swear to God, I would do everything in my power to buy it. I kid you not. I mean, the way it is now, I'd say it's worth about maybe $15,000. But I would seriously buy this house. Seriously would. What would I do with it? I'd tear it down. And then I'd have a nice big piece of property. I mean, they're just not doing anything with it. They gutted the inside of the house recently, but I don't know, maybe in the springtime they'll start working on it. I don't know. It's a real dump. But this is Winter Storm Fern, F-E-R-N, once again, transgender name, Fern. Guess the Weather Channel's trying to be politically correct. Right now, the precip is a very fine snow. I don't know why cars come out and drive. Either they got nothing else to do on a Sunday, or they're so obsessive compulsive that no matter if the world was coming to an end, they got to get out and get to wherever they want to go on a Sunday. Still driving like idiots. There goes animal control, that white truck that went by. I don't know where he's going. Or no, that's the parks department. My bad. Probably checking the roads. It's the pickup trucks that are the problem. I mean, just because you're in a pickup truck doesn't mean you get excellent traction in this. And like I said, it's a very fine powdery snow. And that makes it very slippery, especially as it's packed down.